to Secret Garden and my journey of my pond construction this upcoming spring. I live in Sweden. Climate during this winter has been cold with a lot of snow, which doesn't benefit pond constructioning. And therefore I have used this winter to gather the parts I will need in the building process. Some filter media, bucket, which I'm going to use for a DIY skimmer, some filter brushes. Underneath there is my pond pump, some of the pipes and tubings. This is some PEM pipe, which I will use to push the water from the pond pump to the filtration system. This one is 63 millimeter diameter. This is the barrels I will use for my filtration system. My plan is to dig a pond 5 by 4 meters. That's equal to about 16 by 13 feet, I think. And I will use the elevation difference in the garden in one specific place, which is about 3 meters or 10 feet. And in this slope I will construct a creek and some waterfalls just to aerate the water. In the next video we will take a closer look at the pond pump I've chosen in this build, and we'll take a look at the flow rate and what I expect of getting out in the end of the pipe. This pond build will contain some special solutions which I haven't seen been done before. So who knows, maybe I'm the first one to try them out. Let's see in the coming videos.